everyone, thanks for joining me today. In today's video we're going to do something a little bit different. I've had some people that have asked to do basic crochet videos, and when I say basic I mean bare bone, basic, easy, not hard at all. So I love crochet, so I thought, why not? I can do both. So I'm going to start a project in a video. So I wanted to share this ahead of time in case you wanted to do it as well. So I'm going to make just a basic type of lap blanket that you can cuddle up with. So I went and got a Caron Chunky Cake. So this is what it looks like, and I really like the color, and it's chunky yarn. And one thing that I personally have learned through all of the knitting and crochet, I love chunky yarn. I love it. I find it easy to work with, and it's my favorite. Now, it may not be your favorite, and that's okay, because that's what makes the world go round. So for this project though, and this video, I am going to use chunky yarn. So again, it's a cake and it's from Michaels. You can get it on sale with a you can get it cheap with a coupon or find it on sale. Michaels has coupons all the time and I'm obsessed. So now for this project as well, it is a number 6 bulky. And the crochet hook is an 8mm. So this is what that 8mm hook is going to look like. So this is one that I just had, but it'll give the size on the package, and it'll always have the size on the actual hook. So I don't know if you can see that, it does say 8mm. So you'll need that as well. And you also need a pair of sharp scissors and a darning needle to, those lovely loose ends. So at any rate, if you want to join me, just let me know. I also have a Facebook group where you can also join, and I will leave that in the comments below, and we can get started. A beginner, plain basic beginner crochet blanket. You can do this. I know you can. So thanks for watching, and I will look forward to the next video. Bye!